Hey, in this video we will see how to use a stream from Quicknode on the XRPL testnet. The stream that we will be using will allow us to get a notification when we receive XRP on our error address. So I will just send a quick payment so we get data that we can use to debug. Basically this script is sending XRP from one account, so from this account to this account. And what I am looking for is mostly the ledger index. So this is the block number. I will copy paste it. And then we can head into Quicknode. So on Quicknode, when you are on the dashboard, you will want to go into the stream page. So on the left, streams, and then click on new stream. Once that's done, you can rename it, I don't really care, and then choose the network. So we will be working on XRP ledger and on the testnet. We will start streaming at this specific block, which is the block that has our payment inside. And the stream runs continually until post, yes. Latest block delay, we don't care. We stream on reorgs, we don't care. And that's good, so we can click on next. On XRPL you can only get ledgers, so we will be working with the whole ledger data, which is fine because inside the ledger data there is this transaction array which contains all the transactions that have been sent, and we will click on there to customize our payload. So we'll write our own filter, which is inside filter.js. Copy that and paste into there, and I just want to make sure that I have the correct address. So 2 is this. Yeah, it was the wrong one. So here we're good to go. So basically what this stream does, what this filter does, is that it ensures that the target address is always this address, that the transaction type is a payment, that the type of TXL amount is a string, because we only want to get XRPs, and MPT or trust lines are represented with an object and not only a string, and if the transaction has succeeded. So we can run our test, and we can see that we have the amount it drops, the amount in XRP from the block to, so basically our address and transaction hash. So this is perfect. We can save and close, then click on next, and basically select our destination. So we will do the same as in the XRPL EVM demo, a webhook. To do so, I have the same server that is there. That's just small issue there. So what I will do is go there, type common JS, perfect, and then ngrok on that port, so 3000. Get this URL, put it there, /webhook. That we don't care, and we can just send the payload, which we just get right now, which is perfect, and we can create a stream. And now, just for fun, I will resend a payment. Can I? Yeah, I can. If I go there, put that as module, and then node payment, and we should have the webhook just there that will update us perfect when we receive the payment. So that's it. Thanks.